Welcome to Nano Tech. Here, I showcase latest technology, innovations, gadgets, machines and tools from all around the world. Subscribe Nano Tech and press bell icon for latest update. CELESTRON the spotting scope. Minimizes chromatic aberration, accurate color reproduction, increased resolution and contrast. Proprietary XLT lens coatings maximize light transmission through the optical path for brighter images and increased resolution and contrast. This material is strong and durable, but lighter weight than traditional aluminum alloy housings. Coarse focus for rough adjustment and fine focus for detailed adjustment. New quicker focusing mechanism. Place the orientation of the eyepiece in the best viewing position for application. Adjustable magnification, giving you a wide field of view for general viewing and detailed up-close viewing when needed. Twist up eye cup for correct positioning of the user's eyes for comfortable viewing with or without eyeglasses. Standard 1.25 eyepiece mount allows a variety of astronomical eyepieces to be used with the spotting scope. T adapter ring included for easy 35mm DSLR photography. Sliding sunshade with sighting line keeps out stray light and keeps moisture off the objective lens. Sighting line aids in finding the subject you want to bring into. GARMIN XERO S1. Live Fire Mobile Trap Shooting Trainer. Work to improve your accuracy with the rugged XERO S1 trap shooting trainer. Designed for trap shooters and upland hunters alike, it's the first live fire trainer that provides instant feedback and keeps score for every shot you take. With XERO S1, you can review detailed information, such as shot position and reaction time, immediately after each shot on its 5-color touchscreen display. Use the XERO app to review your shooting scores and performance metrics organized by event, location and station. Know exactly when and how accurately you hit the clay. XERO S1 provides immediate feedback for every shot, including shot location relative to clay. AOBO Mini Security Camera. AOBO is very concerned about keeping families and homes safe and secure. AOBO is a professional home security camera company. AOBO was created with the mission of making high-quality, easy-to-use, affordable smart home security camera accessible to everyone. AOBO's simple design full-featured mini wireless home camera can help you solve big and small problems in your life. You can view your home everything in everywhere. AOBO Spike camera helps you keep eyes on some people or some places you cared. Whether you're using a smartphone, tablet, computer device, you can view the HD live streaming by AOBO Hidden Cameras app. You can also record 24/7 continuously and view playbacks on app from anywhere. This is a real wireless spy hidden camera. Download an app on mobile phone. This spy camera can be quickly and easily set up by anyone on Wi-Fi. Also, this spy camera can records without Wi-Fi too. Insert a SD card and turn on. Spy camera will start recording and saves the video files to SD card. 24/7 home security in your hands. Get alerts on your phone, tablet and PC whenever motion is detected, so you can see or hear to people on your home from anywhere. Don't want to be bothered by motion alerts when you are at home. Set a specific mode or scheduled time to prevent the hidden camera from sending unwanted alert. GoPro Hero 8. GoPro Hero 8 Black Camera Plus PNY Elite X 64GB Micro SDHC card with adapter UHSI, U3. The reimagined shape is more pocketable, and folding fingers at the base let you swap mounts quickly. A new side door makes changing batteries even faster, and the lens is now 2x more impact resistant. Bloggers, pro filmmakers and aspiring creators can do more than ever imagined with quick loading accessories like flashes, microphones, LCD screens and more. Just add the optional media mod to up your capture game. Smooth just got smoother. Now Hero 8 Black has 3 levels of stabilization on, high and boost, so you can pick the best option for whatever you do. Get the widest views possible or boost it up to the smoothest video ever offered in a Hero camera. Plus, Hypersmooth works with all resolutions and frame rates and features in-app horizon leveling. Garmin BC40. Works with your compatible Garmin navigator to see behind your vehicle. Works with your compatible Wi-Fi enabled Garmin navigator to see what's behind your vehicle. Installs quickly and easily by snapping into the included license plate mount. Wirelessly pairs with the compatible Wi-Fi enabled Garmin navigator to see the backup camera view on the navigation display. Transmits data up to 25 to provide a wide, clear video image of what's behind your vehicle. Rugged and weatherproof, water rated to IPX7, splashes, rain or snow to withstand various road conditions. Voice commands can initiate the BC40 camera view. Uses 2 AA batteries, battery life lasts up to 3 months, with average use installs quickly and easily, no drilling or wiring. Attach the license plate mount to your vehicle and snap the camera into place. We eliminated the hassle of wiring this camera into your car's power supply. Just install 2 AA batteries and BC40 is ready to go. MHDYT Bluetooth Mini Wi-Fi Camera. MHDYT Mini Spy Camera with removable mirror and Bluetooth function, which is the most innovative 1.57 inches cube design mini Wi-Fi camera in the market. With 1080 pixels resolution, 150 degrees wide angle, enhanced night vision, motion detection, built-in 600 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, non-Wi-Fi recording function and Bluetooth function, the camera can be used anytime and anywhere to record video for helping improve the security of homes, offices, stores, rooms and warehouses. Perfectly use it as a home security camera, nanny camera, body camera, action sport camera, pet dog camera, mini video camera, wireless CCTV camera. You can watch live feed video without South Dakota card, but you cannot save recorded video, activate motion detection, or play back video on the phone app. If you need save recorded video, we suggest that you insert one 8GB to 128GB micro SD card. NETGEAR ARLO Pro 2. Watch and record crisp HD video in more detail than ever before. Wide-angled per motion sensors make sure no movement goes unnoticed. Capture activity 3 seconds before a triggered event, so you'll always know what happened from start to finish. Available when plugged in and used indoors. Highlight areas in your camera's view where you want to receive motion and sound alerts. Available when plugged in and used indoors. Upgrade to keep non-stop recordings in the cloud when the camera is plugged in and used indoors. Keep your camera charged by using the rechargeable battery, plugging it into a power outlet when indoors, or connecting it to the ARLO solar panel. The choice is yours. Rain or shine, hot or cold, the IP65 certified ARLO Pro camera will brave it all. Stop crime before it happens with over 100 decibel siren that can be controlled remotely or when motion or sound is detected. Listen in and talk back through the built-in speaker and mix straight from your smartphone. Don't pay for cloud storage that you don't need. Keep the past 7 days of motion and audio triggered recordings for free. Secure your recordings with an USB drive local backup. SOLIOM Solar Security Camera. SOLIOM Solar Battery-powered surveillance outdoor home security camera system totally wire-free. You can use free SOLIOM app to remotely access the camera, get live viewing, take snapshots, manually record video. You can also listen and talk back to your visitors, pets, even warn off any intruders. Simply install SOLIOM S60 around your house within your home Wi-Fi range and good exposure to the sunlight. SOLIOM try to make security becoming simple and easy. Extra reliable surveillance system for home and business with mobile app control, built-in extra reliable 4000 mAh battery to constantly provide power, integrated solar power panel for natural energy supply, full IP66 weatherproof grade to withstand all weather conditions, easy and quick installation to fit in any corner of your yard or home, multiple accounts share to at most 8 users to live viewing the surveillance camera simultaneously. With SOLIOM S60 IP camera you will worry less, spend less on bills and enjoy zero frustration.